Sustaining progress and maintenance. Sustaining your progress requires ongoing effort and commitment. By developing a maintenance plan and continuing to learn and grow, you can prevent relapse and keep moving forward. Creating a maintenance plan. Create a maintenance plan to sustain progress and prevent relapse. A maintenance plan helps you stay on track with your personal development goals and ensures that you continue to make progress over time. Overcoming setbacks and relapses. Identify potential setbacks and develop strategies to overcome them. Setbacks and relapses are a natural part of the growth process. By anticipating challenges and having a plan in place, you can navigate them effectively and continue moving forward. Continuing personal growth and development. Continue to learn and grow through new experiences and challenges. Personal growth is a lifelong journey. By embracing new experiences and challenges, you can continue to evolve and achieve greater success.